A complicated name does not mean a legitimate financial institution. Sengezertex.net presents itself as an investment or brokerage platform, suggesting access to financial markets and structured trading opportunities. The branding appears abstract and technical, possibly designed to sound international or innovative. However, in the financial industry, credibility is not built on creative naming. It is built on regulation, transparency, and verifiable corporate identity. The platform operating under the domain sengezertex.net appears to position itself as a broker, potentially offering trading services in forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, or CFD instruments. Promotional language on such platforms often highlights high returns, advanced trading tools, or professional account management. These claims are typical marketing strategies and do not confirm legal authorization. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at registered.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at sisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectinline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at ses.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with sengezertex.net. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In the brokerage industry, the absence of confirmed supervision strongly suggests the possibility of an unlicensed broker. A licensed broker must comply with strict financial and operational requirements. These include segregation of client funds from company funds, maintaining sufficient capital reserves, regular reporting to regulatory authorities, and participation in investor compensation schemes in certain jurisdictions. An unlicensed broker is not required to provide these safeguards. If disputes arise, including withdrawal issues, investors may have no recognized regulatory body to file complaints with. This significantly increases the financial risk. If sengezertex.net offers CFD trading or leveraged products, the risk becomes even more substantial. CFDs are complex financial derivatives that allow traders to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. Leverage magnifies both profits and losses. In regulated markets, leverage limits are imposed to protect retail investors. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, losses can escalate rapidly. In many CFD models, the broker acts as the counterparty to the client's trades, meaning the broker benefits when clients lose. Without regulatory oversight, this structural conflict of interest remains unchecked. Corporate transparency is another critical factor. A legitimate investment platform clearly discloses the legal entity operating the service, provides a verifiable company registration number, lists a physical office address, and publishes comprehensive client agreements and risk disclosures. If sengezertex.net does not provide independently verifiable corporate information, investors are effectively transferring funds to an unidentified operator. That is a serious risk in any financial transaction. Technical indicators often reinforce these concerns. Many questionable investment projects rely on recently registered domains, privacy-protected WOS data, and generic website templates that can be replicated quickly. While privacy services are not illegal, financial institutions that manage client funds are expected to operate with maximum transparency. A short domain history combined with the absence of confirmed licensing significantly increases the overall risk profile. Several warning signs commonly associated with an investment scam may be present. Lack of confirmed regulatory authorization, absence of a recognized supervisory authority, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection framework, high-risk leveraged CFD trading, and potential withdrawal issues in case of disputes. When these elements appear together, caution becomes essential. To avoid similar fraud schemes, investors should verify every broker exclusively through official regulatory databases. Always check the FCA, SISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA registers, and confirm that the exact legal entity name and domain match official records. Never rely solely on certificates, badges, or regulatory claims displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Be cautious of guaranteed profit promises, unusually high returns, or aggressive account managers pushing for immediate deposits. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not pressure clients into rushed financial decisions. Vague legal language, unclear ownership details, and template-based website design should be treated as serious red flags. In conclusion, Sengezertex.net cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with potential high-risk trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust and investor protection. Without it, the risk of fraud, capital loss, and unresolved withdrawal issues increases significantly. A complex name may look impressive. Only verified regulation provides real security.